Good afternoon, students. Now, paper number 60, question number 66. How many meaningful English words that can be found with the help of these three letters? And what are the letters we have? E, N, and T. Now, with the help of this one, 10 is one word that can be formed, and the other one is net that can be formed. Hence, only two words that can be formed, that is choice 5, question number 66. Then 67. Now, in this 7 people are there standing in a straight line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And these 7 persons are to the left of D. Neither D nor E stands at the extreme end of the line. And so many persons here? E stands out to the left of D. What is the possibility we have? E is at this place. And E stands out to the left of D. D is here. That is one such a possibility. And what is the next one we have? 4, 5, 6, 7. Now E is at the third place. And D is second from the left hand side. E sits out to the left of D. Neither D nor E sits at any one of the extreme ends of the line. And G stands to the immediate left of B. G is to the immediate left of B. G and B are together. And there is only one person between B and A. D stands forth to the right of B. As D stands forth to the right of B, B must be at this place. Now here D stands forth to the right of B, B is here. Now B is here, G is to the immediate left of B. Now in this case, G is here. And here G is to the immediate left of B is not possible at all. And it's only one possibility we have. Now in between B and A, there is exactly one person. B is here, A is here. And C is not an immediate neighbor of A, C is at this place. Then tell me who is the person left here? F. And F must be in between A and D. Then how many people are standing in between C and E? Now in between C and E, there are exactly 3 people. And 3 that is given in choice 4, 67. And which of the following pairs represent the people sitting at the extreme ends? Extreme ends, that is G and C, choice 1, question number 68. Then next one, 69. And who is standing exactly in the middle of the line? A, that is choice 1. Then 70, what is the position of F with respect to E? Now second to the right. Now second to the right, that is given in choice 2. Then 71. 4 out of the following is nothing but an odd man out. Now in this A and D. Now between A and D there is exactly one person. G and E there is exactly one person. B and A there is one person. F and D, they are consecutive. That means both the persons are together. Choice for question number 71. Clear now? Then coming to this 72. And how many such pairs of letters are there in the word storm? And each of which has as many letters between them in the word, both forward as well as backward. Then tell me how many pairs we have? S and T is one such form. And next one, S, T, U, V, W, T, U, V, W, O, P, Q, R. P, Q, R, that's it. Left hand side to right hand side, there is only one pair. And again in the reverse, now M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, there is one more pair. And so how many we have? And 3 pairs, that is choice 5, question number 72. Then 73. Now in this 73, what is the word given here? Valued. And in this one, each consonant is changed to the previous letter. V will become U, L will be K, and D will be C. And each vowel is changed to the next letter. A will become B, U, V, and E, F. And then the alphabets so formed are arranged in alphabetical order from left hand side to right hand side. And if these letters are arranged in the alphabetical order B, C, next one F, K, U, V, then which of the following will be thought from the right hand side? That is K. K, that is choice 5, question number 73. Done with this? Then 74. Now F is the father of D. How to represent this one? F is the father of D. And D is the sister of L. D and L are siblings to each other. L is the son of V. As of now, L is the son of F. L is the son of V, which implies that F and V are married couple. F is male, V is female. And V is the daughter of whom? V is the daughter of T. And T is the mother of K. Now this T is the mother of K. V and K are siblings to each other. And K is the father of R. Now this K is the father of R. And R is the daughter of M. Now this R is the daughter of M means K and M are married couple. K is male, M is female. Then how is R related to L? How is this R related to L here? That means L and R are cousins, and so out of which R is female cousin sister, that is choice 1. Then 75, how is L related to T? Now T is daughter's son, grandson, that is choice 4, question number 75. Then 76, how is M related to V? M related to V is brother's wife. Now V's brother is K, K's wife is M, and brother's wife is none other than sister-in-law, that is choice 3, question number 76. Then 77, it is based on coded inequalities here, the relation between E and H, if you observe here. Now between these two letters, there is one greater than, one lesser than, two opposite symbols, so no relation. And F and I between these two, which symbol is common? Lesser than. And F lesser than I, definitely true. Only 2 follows, that is choice 2, question number 77. Then 78. Now in this 78, the relation between A and D, tell me which symbol is common here, and leave this symbol equals to, greater than, A greater than D is 2, greater than R equals to D is false. And C and E between these two, forget about this symbol equals to, C greater than or equals to E, definitely true. Hence what is your answer? Only 2. And only 2 follows, and it is given in choice 4, question number 78. Then 79. Now among 5 friends, E, F, G, H and I. Now how many are there? There are 5 friends, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And their earnings, we are comparing the earnings of these 5 persons. E earns more than H, and G earns lesser than only I. Now this G earns lesser than only 1 person I, and more than the remaining 3 persons. And next one, G earns lesser than only I, F earns more than E. F is more than E, F is here, E is here, and H is here. Then who earns the least? Now tell me who is the person here? H, that is choice 2, question number 79. The next one, question number 80. Now in this one, 80, it is based on syllogisms, and that too, the first model logically follows. And in this one, some victories are medals. Now these are the victories that are medals, and all these medals are what? All medals are trophies. And first one, some trophies are victories. Now this is the relation between these two, definitely true. And some medals are victories, medal and victory, there is an intersection again. Hence both the conclusions are true, both 1 and 2, choice 4, question number 80. Then next one, 81. Now in this 81, now it is based on circular arrangement. 8 persons are there, they are seated around a circular table. Facing towards the center is clearly given. Clear? How many persons are there? 8 persons. Now these 8 are seated around the circular table, and the 2, all the persons are facing towards the center. And U sits out to the right of S. Then tell me how to represent this one. S is here. Now U is seated out to the right of S. And only 3 people between U and V means U and V must be opposite to each other. And W sits out to the left of R. And W sits out to the left of whom? W sits out to the left of R. Then can we have R at this place? R ikkada undocha? No. If R is here, U and W must be in the same place. Not possible. Done? Hence R cannot be at this place. R cannot be here. Can we have R at this place or not? S 1, 2, 3, W will be here. That is one possibility. Then what is the second possibility we have? Now 8 persons, S is here, U is here, and V is here. And if you take R at this place, then W, 1, 2, 3, W will be at this place. Then hence there is a second possibility as well. Then tell me whether we can have another possibility or not. Possibility now 8 persons, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then S is here, U is here, V is here. Then if R is at this place, R ikkada unde chance unda? R is here, 1, 2, 3, W will be here. Done with this? And so many possibilities we have? Altogether we have some 3 different possibilities. And W sits out to the left of R. 1 person between Q and P. 1 person between Q and P. P is not an immediate neighbor of P is not an immediate neighbor of V, hence P is here. Q is here, 1 person between P and Q. And P is not an immediate neighbor of V, hence P cannot be here. In this case, 1 person between P and Q is not at all possible. Done? And in this case, 1 person between P and Q is possible here, isn't it? And U is not an immediate neighbor of Q. And if P is here, Q will be here. Or if P is here, Q will be here. Now in both the cases, Q must be always be adjacent to whom? U. Hence, in the information, U and Q are not adjacent to each other. Hence, this case is ruled out. Hence, we have left with only one possible. Done with this? Then tell me who is the person left over? One more person T, and T must be at this place. Then coming to question number 81. And who among the following represent the immediate neighbors of U? Yes, tell me who are the immediate neighbors of U? W and T. W and T, that is choice. Now immediate neighbors of whom? Immediate neighbors of U, W and P. W and P, that is choice 1, question number 81. Then coming to this 82. Now in this 82, which of the following is, and which of the following is true regarding R? R sits exactly between P and Q, definitely true, choice 1, question number 82. Then 83, and if all the persons are made to sit in alphabetical order in clockwise starting from P, and then the positions of how many excluding P would remain unchanged, P. Then Q, and in the clockwise or anti-clockwise? Clockwise. P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, and W. Is there any person remaining at the same place? No. None, that is given in choice 1, question number 83. Then 84, and who among the following sits second to the right of V? And T sits second to the right of V, that is choice 1, question number 85, 84. And 85, what is the position of Q with respect to T? And Q with respect to T, third to the left. Third to the left, that is choice 3, 85. Then in this 86 onwards, it is based on coding and decoding. Now in this coding and decoding, work more done now. Then if you compare the first and the second, tell me what are the words that are common here? Work and more. And if you compare the first, second, and the third, all these three statements together, then the word that is common in all these three is more. And what is the code that is common here? SE. And the code for more is SE. More is SE. Then compare the first and the second, and work is the word that is common here. As work is common here, the code that is common between these two is LA. And the code for work is LA. Work is LA. Then if you compare 1 and work is LA here. Then if you compare 1 and 4, done and now, as any word here. Then if you compare 1 and 3, done is the word that is common here. As done is the word that is common, and the code that is common between these two is TA. The code for done is TA. TA is here TA. And in the first one, in that statement, now is the word, and what is the code? DE. The code for now is DE. Clear now? Now is DE. Then comparing the second and the third, is and today, no word is common here. Now these two words, is and today, were not repeated in any one of the remaining, and is and today. Now today, where is today here? And 4. Now 2 and 4, if you observe here. Now in this 2 and 4, and tell me what is common here? And today is the word that is common, and the code that is common is FA. And today is FA between the second and the fourth. And in this one, is the word left in the second, and the code KA is left here, is KA. Then if you compare 3 and 4, less and pending. Now pending is the word that is common between the third and the fourth, and the code that is common is BA. The code for pending is BA. And if the code for pending is BA, then the code word less, and it's what is its code? MO. And in the last one, over, and the code for this over is JE. Now these are the words and their corresponding codes. Then what does the code DE stands for? Now DE stands for now, that is choice 5. And 87, what is the code for the word pending? BA. BA choice 5, question number 87. And next one, 88. And which of the following may represent less is over? Less is over, MO, KA, and JE. MO, KA, JE. MO, KA, JE, that is choice 5, question number 88. Then 89. Only a few plants are pink. That means only some plants are pink, but not all. That means this entire plant cannot be a part of this pink. And all these roses are what? All roses are beautiful. And some pink are roses. Some of the pink are roses. And at the same time, all roses are beautiful. This entire rose is beautiful. Then first one, all plants are pink is a possibility. This entire plant is a part of this pink. Is it possible or not? Now in order to make it possible, now I need to write these plants like this. And if I write a plant like this, the statement only some plants are pink will get invalid. Isn't it? Hence it is not possible. Then second, all beautiful are roses. This entire beautiful, tell me whether I can able to write beautiful and are like this or not. Now possibility raskochu kada, yes. Hence what is your answer? Only 2 follows. Only 2, that is choice 3, question number 89. Done? Then next one, 90. Now in this question number 90, all these bottles are what? All bottles are stand. Now these are the bottles that are stand, and only a few stands are plastic. Only some stands are plastic, but not all. And no plastic is glass, no intersection between plastic and a glass. Then first one, no bottle is glass is a possibility. Now bottle is here, glass is here. It is possible or not? Yes. Second, no stand is glass. As of now, no stand is glass is true. Now to make this one false, the second one, it is a negative conclusion, definite conclusion. Hence, we need to prove some of the stands are glass. Amila raskocha leda? Yes. And some stands are glass is true. No stand is a glass will become false. Hence, what is your answer? Only 1 follows. And only 1, and it is given in choice 5, question number 90. Done? Then next one, 91 onwards. 91 to 95. Now, till now, 65 to 90 questions. In these 25 questions, not even a single question is difficult. One of the regular type of questions. Then coming from 10, 91 to 95. Now in this, how many are there? There are 5 floors. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. 5 floors are there. And in each of these floor, how many flats are there? 2 flats in this one. 5 floors, 2 flats. Now 5 floors, 2 flats. Then coming to condition number 1. Q is living on an odd number floor and on the west of W. Q is odd number floor and west of W and west of U. That means Q is to the west of U. Both these two must be like this. And only 2 persons living between the floors of T and O, and both are living below Q, but not in the same flat. Both are living below Q means which 2 persons are living? Now Q and U. And so how many possibilities we have? First floor, third floor, or fifth floor, 3 possibilities. And only 2 persons between T and O. And in between T and O, there must be exactly 2 people. And how many people are there? And 2 people in between Q and O. Now if 2 people are there in between Q and O and T and O. Now in between T and O, there must be exactly 2 people in any order. TRO or ORT. Ante kada? And 2 people. Ela teeskuntama 2 people? Now TRO, 1, 2 TRO. Ante kada? Because 1 floor is in between these 2. And again, and only 2 persons between T and O, and both are living below Q. And as both these 2 persons are living below Q, hence Q cannot be on the first floor and cannot be on the third floor. Isn't it? Why cannot be on the third floor? Now there must be 2. If they are on the third floor, Q and U like this, and both these 2 persons are living below Q, and in between T and O, we need to have exactly 2 people, not possible. Clear? Hence Q and U cannot be on the third floor, cannot be on the first floor, hence Q and U must be on the 5th floor. Done? And both these 2 persons, T and O, and again, at the same time, these 2 persons are not in the same flat. They are not living in the same flat, and both are but not in the same flat. And T and O, but they are not in the same flat. If T is here, then O will be here. And there one such possibility. And what is the second case? Q and U, and T is here, O is here. Amila undacha? T and O. Here we are going on an assumption. What is the assumption? T is above O and is. If O is above T, and we will have 2 more possibilities. And between T and O, who is above whom is not clearly given as of now. Then in this one, and again I is living in the southwest of O. As O is here, I will be here, that is valid. And in this case, I is to the southwest of O is not possible. Done? Hence, now T cannot be at this place. Are you following this one or not? As T cannot be here, then I am checking out the next possibility. T is at this place. And if T is here, O is here, O is here, I will be here. And both T and O they are not living in the same flat. And both T and O, they are not living in the same flat. Now T and O, this is same together. Then if O is here, then T will be here. And if O is here, I, whatever this I can be here, I can be here, or I can be here. Isn't it? How many possibilities we have? 2 possibilities. And at the same time, and W is living above E. W is above E and below Y. And none of them is living in the flat of P and R. That means these 3 persons must be in the same flat. As these 3 persons are in the same flat, what is the only possibility we have? W, Y, W and E. Now in this case, anyhow, I will be here or here. That means 3 persons will be there in this. Hence Y, W and E must be at this place. Y, W and E. Then if Y, W and Y like this, then none of them living in the flat of P and R. R who is living on an even number floor. Now in this case, R is living on an even number floor, P is here. Now R is living on an even number floor, then where should this R? R R must be at this place. I and P or IRP, there are 2 different possibilities in this case. Done? And so altogether we have some, and 3 different possibilities we have. And out of which let us add a small information here. And only 2 persons living between the floors of T and O. T lives above O. This information now T lives above O. And if this information is not given, there are 3 different possibilities. T lives above O. Now if T lives above O, then according to this case, now T lives above O means now this is valid and this would be invalid. And according to this one, let us check out here, how many persons are living below Y. Now below Y, tell me how many are there? Below Y, there are 6 persons below Y. And 6 that is given in choice 3, question number 91. And who is living on the east of P? East of P, who is that person? W. And W that is given in which choice? Choice 4, 92. Then 93. Now in this 93, R is living in which direction with respect to E? R with respect to E, north and west, northwest. Northwest, choice 3, question number 93. Then 94. And how many persons living between the floors of U and E? Now in between U and E, how many persons? There are 6 persons. And 6 that is given in choice 4, question number 94. Then 95. Who among the following lives in flat Y of 4th floor? Flat 4 and floor, 4th floor, and who is that person? Y. Flat Y is Y. 95, choice 2. Clear? Then 96 to 100. Now in this 96 to 100, now a certain number of persons writing an exam facing north direction, and all of them attempt different number of questions. Earlier we have started with this one, and we have discussed continuously for 5 to 6 days only on circular arrangement on certain people. Discuss chesamo ledha. Then we have introduced that linear row. Linear row discuss chesam kada last Saturday paper lo untundi. And all the persons were above and below. They were in a queue. Then this comes under the 3rd priority, that is row arrangement. Now in this row arrangement, none of the persons are in the same row anukunnam. Okay? And now these persons are facing towards north, and a certain number of students writing an exam facing towards north direction, and all of them attends different number of questions. Information is given about only a few persons and only a few marks are known. Done? Hence persons and marks were given, and regarding the persons and the marks, regarding only some persons it has been given. L is sitting from the 3rd from the left hand. As L is 3rd from the left hand, hence 1, 2, 3, L is here. L is 3rd from the left hand, and 5th to the left of the one who attempts 84. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is 84 questions. Now the person who attempted 84 questions, to that person 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. L is 5th to the left hand side. Am I saripenda? L is seated 3rd from the left hand of the line, and this L is seated 5th to the left of the one who has attempted 84 questions. 84 questions ఎవరైతే attempt చేశారో వాడికి L అనేవాడు 5th left లో ఉన్నాడు. L 5th left లో ఉంటూ and left hand side నుంచి 3rd left లో ఉన్నాడు అని అన్నారు. Clear? The position of L is determined as of now. L and 84. Then what is the next information we have? and persons who attempt 66 and 69 questions are immediate neighbors of L. Immediate neighbors of L అంటే అర్థం ఏంటి చెప్పండి? 86 ఇక్కడ ఉంటే 89 ఇక్కడ ఉండాలి, ఆర్ 86 66 and 69. Now 66 and 69. Now 66 అటెంప్ట్ చేసిన లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ అయితే 69 రైట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్. ఇక్కడ 66 అయితే ఇక్కడ ఎంత ఉండాలి చెప్పండి? 69. Done with this? And are immediate neighbors of L, and the person who attempts 66 questions is immediate right of A. And 66 వాడు immediate right of A అన్నాడు. ఇక్కడ 66 ఉంటే immediate right of A అవుతున్నాడా? immediate left of A అవుతున్నాడు. కనుక 66 ఇక్కడ ఉండే ఛాన్సే లేదు. దెన్ మరి 66 ఎక్కడ ఉండాలి చెప్పండి? అండ్ 66 మస్ట్ బి టు ది immediate left hand side of A, and this is 69. And who is this person? A is here, and the one who scored 66 is to the immediate right of A అన్నారు. సరిపోతుందండి? అండ్ 66 is to the immediate right of A. And R is sitting second to the left of P. Whatever this R is seated second to the left of P. P who is to the immediate right of U. Now this P is to the immediate right of U means R, U and P must be together. And they are sitting to the left of the one who attempted 84 questions. And these persons are sitting to the left of the one who attended. None of them attempt 69. Clear? None of them. R is sitting second to the left of P, and P who is to the immediate right of U, and they are sitting to the left of 84 questions. 84 questions ఎవరైతే అటెంప్ట్ చేశారో వాడికి లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ ఈ ముగ్గురు ఉన్నారండి. ఈ ముగ్గురు ఉంటే ఏమైపోయింది? అండ్ నన్ ఆఫ్ దెమ్ వాస్ స్కోర్డ్ 69. 69 అయితే ఎవరు కాదు అని అన్నారు. అండ్ నన్ ఆఫ్ దెమ్ అండ్ నన్ అమాంగ్ దెమ్ అటెంప్ట్ 69. కనుక 69 ఇక్కడికి వచ్చే ఆర్ యూపీ ఇక్కడ రాకూడదు, అండ్ ఇక్కడ కూడా రాకూడదు. మరి ఎక్కడ ఉండాలి చెప్పండి? Hence R, U and P. R is here, U is here, P is here. ఈ ముగ్గురు 84కి లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ ఉండాలి. అట్ ద సేమ్ టైం 69 ఎవరు స్కోర్ చేయలేదు. And only one person between X and D. X is sitting to the immediate left of the one who attempted 91 questions. And only one X is to the immediate left of the one who attempted 91 questions. అంతే కదా? And one person between X and D. X is to the immediate left of the one who attempted 91. And there is one person between X and D. D ikkadena undచ్చు or D ikkadena undచ్చు. Two possibilities kada. One person between X and D. And M is sitting out to the right of the one who scored 95, and one of them sitting at the right end of the line. And here M is sitting out to the right of the one who attempted 95. 95 questions ki third right evaruna cheppandi? M. And one of them is sitting at the extreme right hand. 95 cannot be at the extreme right hand because M should be right hand side. Hence M must be at the right hand. అదైతే చెప్పొచ్చు కదా? M must be at the right hand. And one of them sitting at the G is an immediate neighbor of the person 72 and 79. And one of them is an immediate neighbor of D. H is sitting to the right hand side of this one. మన ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ అంతా కవర్ చేసాము. ఎక్కడో ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ మిడిల్ ఒకటి ఉండాలి కదా? No. One who attempted 91 questions is sitting in the middle of the row and is sitting second to the right of 81. Now 91 is at the middle of the row and is sitting to the right hand side second to the right of 84 annam. Kanaka 91. As this person is exactly at the middle of the row, how many persons are there to the left hand side of this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 persons to the left hand side. And similarly, we need to have 9 persons, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, total number of persons were finalized now. And 9 plus 9 plus 1, 19. Then, M must be at the corner. M అయితే ఫిక్స్ అయిపోయాడు కదా? M must be at the right hand. If M is here, and 95 must be at this place. Then, 95, M and 95, ఈ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ వాడేసాం. Then, 91కి and D is an immediate right hand side of 91. One person between X and D. Clear? 91 and X are adjacent to each other. 91కి immediate left hand side ఎవరు ఉండాలి చెప్పండి? X ఉండాలి. X ఉంటే Xకి Dకి మధ్యలో ఒకరు ఉండాలి. ఇక్కడ D ఉండే ఛాన్స్ లేదు, P ఆల్రెడీ ఉన్నాడు. And switch to this D, D must be at this place. ఈ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ కూడా అయిపోయింది. Done with this? Then 84 persons who attempt 66 and 69 are immediate neighbors of L, and 69 R is sitting second to the left of P. Information అయిపోయింది కదా? And one who attempts 91 is sitting in the middle of the row and is sitting second to the right of the one 84 questions. and only one person between X and D. X is sitting to the immediate left of the one who attempted 91 questions. And next one, M is sitting third to the right of the one who attempted 95. 95 none, and one of them sitting at the right end of the line. And G is an immediate neighbor of the persons who attempted 72 and 79. G is an immediate neighbor of 72 and 79, and one of them is sitting to the immediate neighbor of D. One of them is sitting to the immediate right of D. G is an immediate neighbor of 72 and 79 అన్నారు. G is an immediate neighbor of 72 and 79, and one of them is an immediate neighbor of whom? And one of them is an immediate neighbor of D. D కి immediate neighbor ఉండాలి. కనుక ఇక్కడ ఎవరు ఉండాలి చెప్పండి? G must be here. And if G is here, then 72 and 79 must be in these two places. అంతే కదా? And 72 and 79. Then out of which immediate neighbor of D. H is sitting third to the right of the one who attempted 79. And H is sitting third to the right of 79 and is immediate neighbor of immediate right of 95. Where is H? H is here. Immediate right of 95, H. Now this H is seated third to the right of whom? Third to the right of 79, and 79 here it is fixed. And there, now 79 is to the immediate right hand side of G. Now this is 79. And two persons are sitting between 76 and 83 and 76. Between 83 and 76 there must be exactly how many people? 3 people. Now 2 in between 83 and 76. 83 ki 76 ki madhyalo 2 members undali. And both are them sitting to the right of G. Now both the persons are sitting to the right of G annaru. Both the persons are sitting to the right of G means 83 is here and 1 to 76 is here. Saripenda? Now two persons between 83 and 76 and both are sitting to the right of. Both are sitting to the right of ante 76 or 83 ఉండొచ్చు కదా. Then order ఇవ్వలేదు ఇంకా. And next one, M is not an immediate neighbor of the person who attempted 83. M is not 83, hence 83 cannot be here, 76. Now if 76 is here, then 83 will be here. Done? Now this is the final arrangement we have. On the other day we have discussed about this one. Whenever this uncertain is given, it is very time consuming. అది బాక్సెస్లో ఇచ్చినాం, at the same time queueలో ఇచ్చినాం, and row or circular arrangement. In general, all these type of questions will fall under category 2, that is priority 2. ఎందుకు చెప్పిన ఫస్ట్ చూడగానే మనకు అయ్యే ఛాన్సెస్ కొద్దిగా తక్కువ ఉంటాయి, పాసిబిలిటీస్ ఎక్కువ రాసుకోవాలి, ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ విల్ బి మోర్. Done? Then coming to 96, what is the position of G? And with respect to the one who attempts 76 questions, 76 వాటితో కంపేర్ చేసుకుంటే G is at what place? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th from the left hand side, and 5th to the left, that is choice 3, 96. 97, how many persons are sitting between L and the one who attempted 83? Now between L and the one who attempted 83, how many persons are there? Let's start counting this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. There are 11 persons altogether, that is choice 2, 97. And 98, what is the sum of the questions attempted by the persons who are immediate neighbors of the person sitting at the extreme ends? Extreme ends of the line A and M. Immediate neighbors of these two, 66 and 76. Then what is the sum of these two? 6 plus 7, 13 plus 2, 142. 142 choice 4. 142, and it is given in choice 4. The next one, 145, 142. Then 99. Total how many persons attempted the exam? 19 choice 1. 100. Who is sitting at the 9th position from the right end of the line? Right end of the line, 9th position. Tell me who is that person? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And who is that person? D. D, that is given in choice 4, question number 100. Done? ఇంకేమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయా రీజనింగ్లో? పేపర్ నెంబర్ 60 done? 61. Yes, number series, long number series. Now we have started this long number series from the last 3 days it seems. అవునా కదండి? Then 11, 14, 22. 11, 14, 22 and so on. Then tell me what is your answer in this case? 11. Now it comes under which category? మనం ఫస్ట్ సాటర్డే నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేసాం అనుకుంటాం రాంగ్ నెంబర్ సిరీస్. Then 11, 14. First change ఏమన్నా చెప్పండి. First we need to identify the model. Difference వస్తుందా, product వస్తుందా, combination. Particularly wrong number చాలా చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ మనకి. మనం చెప్పండి దేంట్లోకి వస్తుంది difference, because the numbers 96 నుంచి 144 does not been doubled at least once. డబుల్ అవ్వలేదు కనుక it must be under difference. ఇక్కడ డిఫరెన్స్ ఎంత మనకి 48. And 68 and 96 difference ఎంత చెప్పండి. 68 and 96 28. 28 or 38? 28. Then 28 and next one 37 and 68 difference, and here 31 is the difference. And next one 22 and 37, 22 and 37 15. Now here it is 8, then it is 3, and 3 8 15 31. ఇక్కడ ఎక్కడో నెంబర్ తేడా ఉండాలి. క్లియర్ ఎందుకు చెప్పండి 3 8 15 31 వరకు పెరిగి అక్కడ మళ్ళీ తగ్గిపోయింది, మళ్ళీ పెరిగింది. Hence 3 8. Among this one let us check out the differences. 8 3 8 15 31 28 and 48. Now here the difference between these two 3 and 8 ఎంత చెప్పండి. 3 and 8 the difference is 5. 8 and 7 here it is 16. 31 minus 3. And next one 28 and 48 here the difference is plus 20. 5 and 7 difference ఎంత చెప్పండి. Now 3 and 8. 3 and 8 ఇక్కడ మనకి 5 కదా. నెక్స్ట్ డిఫరెన్స్ 7 కదా. 5 తర్వాత 7 నెక్స్ట్ ఏం అవ్వాలి 9. 9 తో ట్రై చేయండి. 5 7 9. 9 కాకపోతే అప్పుడు 11 స్టార్ట్ చేద్దాం ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్స్. దెన్ ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ 11 హియర్, దెన్ 15 ప్లస్ 11 ఎంత 26. 26 ప్లస్ 5 7 9తో స్టార్ట్ చేద్దాం. అండ్ 5 7 9. 9 అయితే ఇక్కడ ఎంత అవ్వాలి చెప్పండి. అండ్ 15 ప్లస్ 9 ఈజ్ సో మచ్ 24 అవ్వాలి. అండ్ 24 ప్లస్ హౌ మచ్ ప్లస్ 11. ప్లస్ 11 అంటే ఇక్కడ నెక్స్ట్ మళ్ళీ నెక్స్ట్ నెంబర్ ఎంత రావాలి. అండ్ 11 that number must be 35. Now in this 35 24 plus 11 35, and 35 next one plus 13 48. సరిపోయిందా లేదా. And so what are the differences here. 5 7 9 11 13. And 5 7 9 11 13, then what are the numbers that are to be added. These are the numbers that are to be added. ఏమి యాడ్ అవ్వాలి చెప్పండి 3. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ 8. 14 plus 8 22 సరిపోయింది. 22 plus 15 how much is that 37, అది కూడా సరిపోయింది. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ 24 should be added. 37 plus 24 61. Done. And 61 next 24 next number must be 35, and next one is 48. మరి సరిపోయిందా లేదా. Then if you check out here the difference between these two is 5. 8 and 15 7. 15 plus 9 24. 24 plus 11 35. 35 plus 13 5 7 9 11 13. Now the difference of differences are odd numbers. 5 7 9 11 13. And what are these numbers here. 3 8 15 24 35 48 are added. Then what is the wrong number here. 68 is the wrong number and 61 is the correct number. Choice 5 question number 61. Done with this. Then coming to this 62, must 62 చెప్తారు 119 and 130. 119 130 and so on. And again and 284 not at least double. ఇప్పుడు డిఫరెన్స్ చెప్పండి ఎంత వస్తుంది ఇక్కడ 11 is the difference. Next one minus 1, and next one 129 and 154 25. Next 54 and 203 49. 25 49 తెలిసింది. 5 square and this is how much 7 square. 5 square 7 square ఇక్కడ 81 ఉందో లేదో చూడండి. And next one will be 11 square. సరిపోయిందా. Hence 11 square 9 square 7 square 5 square ఇక్కడ ఎంత ఉండాలి 3 square. ఇక్కడ ఎంత ఉండాలి 1 square. 119 plus 1 is how much 120. 120 plus 9 is 129. And so what is the wrong number. 130 is the wrong number and 120 is the correct number. Now the difference between the numbers are squares. 1 square 2 square 3 square 4 square and so on are added. Sorry 1 3 5 7 9 11 squares of odd numbers are added. Clear now. Hence the wrong number is 130 and the correct number is 120. 62. Then 63. Now 3 తో స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది 6066. Numbers are increasing at a very faster rate. It must be product or combination. And again product is not possible between 12 and 45, 45 and 190. Hence it must be under combination. Combination we need to try at the last pair. Combination ippudu ekkada try cheyali cheppandi? Highest pair. Now it is highest pair 1005 into how much? 6. That is 6030 plus 36. 6 plus 36 అంటే 6 plus 6 square. ఇక్కడేమో 5 5 square, 4 4 square, 3 3 square, 2 2 square, 1 1 square. Hence into 1 plus 1. Into 2 plus 4. 4 into 2, 8 plus 4, 12. 12 into 3, 36 plus 9, 45 సరిపోయింది. 45 into 4, 180 plus 16. 196 is the correct number, 198 is the wrong number. Done? And next one, 196 is the correct. 196 into 5 plus 25. ఎంత వస్తుంది చెప్పండి? 196 into 5 divided by 2. 2 9s 18, 960. 960 plus 25, 980. 980 plus 25, 1005. And the wrong number is 198 and the correct number is 196. And choice 2, question number 63. And the logic behind this one is into 1 plus 1 square, into 2 plus 2 square, into 3 plus 3 square, and so on. Then 64, 39, 43, 51, 60, 87, 110 and 167. Now 13 and 43, difference is how much? 4. 43 and 51, difference is how much? 8. And 51 and 60, difference is how much? 9. And 4 can be written as 2 square, 2 cube. 3 square, ఇది ఎంత ఉండాలి చెప్పండి? 3 cube. What is 3 cube? 27. 2 square, 2 cube, 3 square, 3 cube, 4 square. 4 square ఎంత? 16. 87 plus 16 ఎంత రావాలి? 103 రావాలి. 103 వస్తే 4 square plus 4 cube. 4 cube is 64. 103 plus 64, 167. Done? Hence, what is the wrong number? 110. And the correct number is 103. And again, the given numbers are squares and cubes. 2 square, 2 cube, 3 square, 3 cube, 4 square, 4 cube are added. Question number 64, choice 3. Then coming to the 65, number once decreases, from there onwards it started increasing. అవునా కదా? కనుక ఏమవ్వాలి చెప్పండి? In 2.5. Then next one. And again 30 and 75, if you observe here, this is into 2.5 అయింది. ఇక్కడ నుంచి into 2 అయింది. 2.5 2 అవ్వాలి కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ ఎంత అవ్వాలి? 1.5. ఇక్కడ 1. 10 into 1, the number must be 10. 10 into 1.5, 15. And what is the wrong number? 12 is the wrong number. Correct number is 10. The given numbers are multiplied with 0.51, 1.52, 2.5 and so on. Done? And this is about paper number 60, reasoning 66 to 100. And number series. ఇంకేమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయి ఇందులో? Now you can leave the session.